Hey there, it's Roz here, and I'm at the stunning Shangri-La Mactan in Cebu. This is where our next Travel Agent Achievers International Retreat is going to take place in 2026. Now, if you've been to one of our retreats before, whether it was in Fiji or in Bali or even one of our live events, you already know the magic that happens when we all come together. It's not just a destination or the business strategies that we work through the event. It's the connections, it's the breakthroughs, that moment where something clicks and you leave with clarity, direction, and confidence in what's next for your business. Now, here's the thing. This isn't just a repeat of what we've done before. The 2026 retreat is a whole new level. The world has shifted, our industry has evolved, and so have you. And that's exactly why this retreat has been designed to meet you where you're at right now, to help you scale, to strengthen and simplify your travel business with intention. This experience is all about giving you the time, the space, and the support to work on your business, not just in it. So whether you've been on fire lately or things have slowed down and you need to reset, this is your chance to come back with fresh ideas, a renewed focus, and people beside you that believe in you. Because you already know, being surrounded with the right people changes everything. So you've been waiting for a sign, maybe? Well, this is it. Come and join us in Cebu. Let's make this your best business year yet, with strategy, with purpose, and a little bit of island magic. Click on the link below, grab your spot, grab the details, ask me questions. I can't wait to see you here in the incredible Philippines. We're gonna do this and we're gonna do it together.